好，之後咧我哋繼續翻嚟啦，就係到30條咧，就一條直路咧就會講到落去45條噶啦，因為咧接住落去嗰啲咧，我個人認為咧都係非常之咁簡單啊。好啦，咁咧第一條咧我哋都係啦，以往一路做法，睇下最尾一句先。佢就話咧問你佢 perform 咗啲乜嘢係關於個 money 嘅 function 啊。咁咧我哋咧就睇翻啦，嗱1、2、3咧，其實分別係 refer 緊啲乜嘢咧？咁咧嗱一咧就係、你咩叫 store of value 咧？就係、你可以將一啲 purchasing power 咧係 store up for future use 嘅，right？好啦，咁佢有冇咧？我哋睇一睇啦。佢話咧，有個人揸住部電話咧，就話199乘12蚊 for new mobile phone 啦，好興嗰啲月供嗰啲嘅一啲概念。咁咧，佢有冇 perform 到呢一個 purchasing power 啊？佢有冇可以展示到咧？喺呢一個消費入面，呢個消費者咧係可以將一啲購買力咧於日後使用啊？有冇啊？冇啦，好明顯。咁所以查就一啦，C 噶啦，其實。好啦，unit of account，unit of account 即係話咧，佢可以表達到一啲 value of goods 啦，係可以用一啲 unit 嘅。咁佢個 unit 喺邊啊？喂，199乘12啊，仲唔係 unit 係咪？好啦，3啦，standard of deferred payment，standard of deferred payment 唔係即係話可以延期付款咯，各位。咁呢個分期付款係咪就係延期付款啊？分期付款啊，咁咪即係 deferred payment 咯。咁所以其實係好 straightforward，都係好簡單。好啦，咁咧我哋就可以咧 move on 去到第31條啦。咁咧31條咧就我唔知會唔會你嘅弱點啦，但係其實就都好 straightforward 同埋好直接係有啲睇嘅。好啦，佢就問你邊個 incorrect 咁樣啦。咁咧我哋咧就要逐個去到計嘅。咁首先咧，我哋咧就會知道記得計佢個叫做 required reserve ratio 先啦，即係佢個 legal reserve ratio 啊。咁咧佢就話俾你聽咧，佢 excess reserve 係125啦。咁所以咧嗰個好容易計咧，嗰個RRR required reserve ratio 咧就係250啦，減125啦，咁就除翻咧500嘅，咁咧25%啦。咁呢個 correct 啦，係咪？咁 A 唔啱啊，因為佢 correct 咁啊，即係唔啱，係咪？你邊個 incorrect 啊嘛？咁所以 look for the one which is incorrect 啦，係咪？好 B 啦，佢話 the maximum amount of loan 就係750啊。咁其實咧好容易計嘅啫，我哋將250啦，整個最大先，就係將250除翻個 required reserve ratio，即係將個250除翻25%，咁咧我哋就會計到一嚿數啦。咁咧就應該係1000嚟嘅。咁咧我哋咧記唔記得就係呢一個 deposit 加 reserve 先等於 loans。咁所以咧我哋計到最大嘅時候咧，我哋只要將佢減翻而家個 reserve 就會計到個 loan 噶啦。咁所以佢最大嘅 loan 咧應該係750嘅，所以啱嘅，所以佢又係錯嘅。好啦，C 啦，佢就話 the maximum amount of deposit 啦，即係佢嘅最大可以滾到幾多啊？咁咪其實好簡單，就係將呢一個250除翻20%，1000，啱啱搞掂，啱啱計咗。D 啦，the actual banking multiplier，咁啊 actual banking multiplier 點樣計咧？其實就係將個 deposit 咧除翻嗰個而家個 actual reserve 啊，將個 deposit 除翻個 actual reserve，我哋就會見到咧係啲乜嘢咧？見到咧就係2嘅，應該係因為500除250嘛，所以2，因為佢係問緊你 actual 嘛，佢唔係問緊你譬如話 maximize 啊或者點樣係啦。所以咧31咧，我自己覺得咧係喺呢一類型題目嚟講咧，都算係真係比較簡單嘅一類型嚟㗎啦。31條。好啦，32條你要識啦，咁呢度咧我就唔多介紹啦，因為咧好冗長嘅。咁記得啦，佢哋嗰個概念咧就係一個咁樣嘅一個概念嚟嘅，係啦。M3啦係 M2啦 M1嘅，即係話 M3咧係包住 M2啦，M2咧係包住 M1嘅。有少少似咧，你點樣諗咧？就係你屋企啊，咁你屋企你有間房有張床咧，有個公仔。咁咧，如果你拎走咗你床上面嘅公仔咧，你屋企咧係會少咗一個公仔噶嘛？你間房都會少咗個公仔噶嘛？4M3係 你屋企啦，M 二係你間房咧，M 一係你張床啊。咁你張床拎走個公仔，你間房會冇個公仔啦，你間屋企都冇個公仔嘅。但係如果你話你屋企可能客廳抌咗個垃圾桶咧，你間房係唔會少咗嘢。M 一、M 二、M 三咧就係咩概念嚟嘅啫？係啦，好啦，33條咧取消咗嘅，係啊。咁至於點解咧？我覺得就可以唔使知，因為呢條題目係出得好差嘅啫。好啦，咁咧去到34條啦。34條咧就係要你 based on 呢個 classical quantity of theory 啊。Which of the following diagram is correct when the money supply is growing at a constant percentage per year？ 好啦，咁咧咩叫做 classical quantity theory of money 啊？其實就係MV 等於 PY 嘛，係咪？咁咧 classical quantity theory of money 咧就係 V 同 Y 咧都會唔變嘅，係啦。咁所以咧 M 咧係應該係會等於佢個 Y 啦，因為點解？因為咧佢而家仲要假設埋啲乜嘢啊？佢就係話俾你聽，money supply 係一個 constant 咯，即係佢係一個 constant 咯。咁所以咧就會知道咧 M 咧其實應該係等於嗰個 P 或者等於嗰個 Y， 係啦。咁所以咧其實咧佢係一個money supply 咧係一個 constant rate 喺度變緊啦，然後 velocity 咧係 keep 住唔變噶嘛。咁所以咧其實咧佢 M 等於 P 嘅時候咧，我哋就會知道啦。P 咧個 price level 咧應該都係以一個 constant rate 咧係升緊嘅。咁所以咧我哋就會知道咧佢 inflation rate 咧係應該係一個 constant 嚟嘅，就會係 D for dog 嘅。呢一條咧其實同我一開始咧好早咧同你解釋過嗰個概念咧都係一模一樣噶啦，就係講緊嗱你要留意 growth rate 咧同 actual 嘅嗰個分別啦。咁咧因為啦而家咧 MV 等於 PY 嘛，咁佢話俾你聽 M 咧係一個 constant。咁 V 同 Y 咧又 fix 死咗啦，咁 M 咪等於 P， 咪即係等於個 constant 咯。咁 P 咧佢係反映緊一個 general price level 一直升緊啊嘛，係啦。咁咧而且佢係一個 constant rate 等於個 M 嘅話咧 ，D 咁咧就會 D for dog 噶啦。A 咧就錯嘅，因為咧 price level 一直唔變咧，咁佢嗰個 P 咧即係你會見到咧呢一個 element 即係應該係零啊，但係佢唔係零啊，佢係一個 constant 啊。Real output 唔知啦，因為佢係冇講到，佢 assume 咗唔變嘛，係咪？好啦，之後咧我哋去到35條啦。35條咧係都好興嘅，就係、是、佢要你一個可能政府官員啦，佢就問你話：喂其實Mr. Lam 咧佢喺香港要俾啲乜嘢稅啊咁樣樣。好啦，咁其實呢條好簡單嘅啫。首先啦，佢有 wage 啊嘛。有 wage 咁就一定要交 salary tax 啦，唔好玩。咁冇 salary tax 咁二一定唔啱啦。好啦，咁咧香港咧係冇 dividend tax 嘅，咁所以咧二咧有二嘅都唔啱啦。咁所以咧就係睇下 A 同 dot 啦。咁 A 同 dot 咧得咗個3，睇下3啦。咁3咧就係 first registration tax 啊嘛，就係咩咧？就係話當你買一架車，架車係首次汽車登記稅啊嘛。就係架車咧，第一次見到香港笪地咧，首次咧係 on road in Hong Kong 嘅話咧，佢就要俾噶啦。咁咧，我哋會見到啲咩咧？就係因為咧，佢買嗰架車啊，係 second hand 噶嘛，係咪？咁即係話其實佢唔需要俾，咁所以3都唔需要。咁答案就係 A 啦，好簡單。好啦，之後咧，我哋去到睇一睇36條啦。咁36條咧，咁其實都係好易嘅。36條咧就係講緊有個 diagram 啦，就係 changes in 一個嘅salary tax structure of 一個 company 啦。咁咧你見到啦，佢有兩個 bar 喺度，或者一個 O 啦，一個 new 噶嘛。咁你見到佢有咩分別咧？首先啦，佢個 tax allowance 又變咗啦，佢個 tax rate 又高咗啦，係咪？咁所以咧，我哋會知道啲乜嘢咧？我哋就會知道佢係一啲我哋睇睇啦。Compared to the old tax structure，the new structure 會點咧 ？A 啦，就 result in a more even income distribution 啦。咁36會唔會啊？你36會唔會咧？咁其實咧 未必嘅。雖然佢而家佢嗰個嘅tax rate 咧係 increase 咗啦，但係咧係啦，雖然 tax rate increase 咯，但係啊，佢個 tax allowance 咧係縮窄咗啊，咁所以其實對於窮人嚟講咧，都未必夠 favourable 係啦。佢對有錢人對冇咁有錢嘅人咧，都係唔好嘅，因為點解啊？sorry 又睇漏咗，其實佢 tax rate 咧甚至係低咗添啊，所以呢一個咧好明顯咧就係完全唔會 even 係好唔 even 嘅。好啦，課啦 reduce the working incentive for all workers 咁啦，36咁係咪 all workers 咧就未必嘅，係啦，因為咧喺新舊稅制底下咧，部分人士咧都有係未被納入稅網啊嘛，咁所以咧佢哋都係受到一啲免稅額嘅保護㗎，即係有啲人咧佢都係會 benefit 咗嗰個嘅受嗰個嘅 tax allowance 嘅 benefit 㗎嘛，咁所以咧其實佢咧都唔會有影響嘅。因為佢哋都係未入嗰個嘅 tax 嘛，咁所以唔係 all workers 係錯啦。好啦，咁咧C 啦，佢就話 broaden 咗個 tax base 啦，係咪？咁呢一個 tax base 即係話你有幾多個人咧係會收稅嘅？咁因為佢而家你見到啦，佢嘅 tax allowance 咧 decrease 咗咁多嘛，咁所以答案就係 C 啊。個 B 課當啦，佢就 led to increase in total tax revenue 啊，呢個咧永遠都係錯嘅，因為點解？因為就係你用唔同嘅方法，不論係你收多咗人tax 就好啦，咁咧其實咧你 meanwhile 咧你係會影響人哋嘅一個叫做 working incentive 嘅，咁咧就算收多個 tax 咧，但係佢嘅 working incentive 就有影響啦，咁你係 uncertain of 你個 outcome 嘅。好啦，之後咧我哋去到37條啦，咁37條啦同樣地啦好簡單，佢就咧 which of the following people 啦 will gain 咧 for 呢個 unexpected deflation 啊嘛。咁好簡單嘅啫。咁譬如話 holder of I bond 咧 issued by Hong Kong 嘅 government 啦，係咪？咁其實咧 for 1同埋3啦，咁呢一啲都係啲 fix 咗嘅嘢啦。咁係因為當呢個 general price level 咧下降嘅時候咧，其實佢所收取嘅 interest 同埋嗰個 purchasing power 都會 increase 嘅。咁呢個咧係especially 係 during 呢個 deflation， 因為 deflation 即係代表你而家1蚊係比琴日嘅1蚊更加值錢㗎嘛，更加唔值錢啦。咁所以咧，對於一啲hold 住 fixed 嘅assets 嘅人咧，佢會係 benefit 嘅。咁所以咧答案就係 B 啦。佢哋兩個咧就係 benefit 啦。Flat owners repaying floating rate，floating 係咩意思啊？即係話係會 adjust based on inflation rate， 咁所以咧佢係唔會 benefit 嘅。38啦，同時啦取消咗啊，咁呢個都冇咩好講啊，因為又係啦，佢係 contractionary 啊 ，neutral expansion indeterminate 咧，其實係有多講嘅答案係啱啊，咁所以咧呢個就會取消咗嘅。好啦，咁咧之後咧去到39條啦，咁咧佢就都係啦，我哋睇翻最後一句啦，佢就話咧 in the short run。個 economic recovery 咧係呢個 trading partner 會做啲乜嘢啦 ？trading partner 咧佢嘅經濟好咗咧，佢會買多咗我哋嘅嘢嘅，咁所以咧我哋嘅 export 咧就會上升啦，咁 AD 就會上升啦，就會出現呢一個 inflationary gap。好啦，咁咧本身咧 T 咧等於 G， 即係嗰個。收入係等於支出嘅 ，AD 增加咧就會導致 tax 係大過 G 啦，所以咧就會導致呢個 fiscal。因為點解？因為 AD 上升即係話多咗人要交稅啊，咁多咗人要交稅咧，假設政府嘅支出唔變啦，因為39呢一條題目佢俾嘅 condition 係冇 show 到政府有啲乜嘢 expense 係增加嘅，咁所以咧就應該係 T 又大過 G。好啦，之後咧去到第40條啦，40條咧呢條咧係我會覺得都係。full out 以上咧都算係最大一條。佢咧就話啦 ，under 咧 which of the following situations may a fiscal deficit and trade deficit be eliminated at the same time？ 即係話咧
嗱，首先咧咩叫做 fiscal 嘅 balance 咧，就係你嗰個收翻嚟嘅 tax 啦，同埋減翻你個 government 嘅一個 expense。嗱 trade 嘅 deficit 好簡單嘅啫，就係你嘅 export 同你嘅 import 嘛。咁咧你要嗱而家 fiscal deficit 同埋 trade deficit imply 緊就係咩咧？就係話個 G 咧係大過個 T 啦，同埋個 M 咧係大過 X 先會導致嘅 deficit。即係政府啦，一方面咧使得咗，第二方面咧就係我哋輸出咗太多嘢啦，即係我哋買入咗太多嘢啦，要解決呢樣嘢嘅。咁個方法咧就會係 C 啦。嗱 ，decrease in nominal interest rate 咧，係會導致呢一個 investment 上升啊。investment 上升咧係會導致 tax 上升，係會導致有改善嘅。但係問題係啦，如果 decrease in nominal interest rate 咧，係會導致呢一個嘅 import 係增加嘅，即係佢 favour 到係幫到個 fiscal policy 係，但係佢都會因為 C increase 係 imply 咗呢一個 import 係會 increase 嘅，係啊 C increase 係 imply 咗呢個咧 import 會 increase 係會增加咗呢一個嘅 trade deficit 嘅咁啊。好啦 ，depreciation 啊，咁 depreciation 咧就 make sense 啊，因為 depreciation 咧第一啦，我哋 depreciate 咗，即係話我哋本地嘅嘢咧 ，in terms of other 嘅國家嘅一啲嘅貨幣咧，我哋嘢平咗。咁所以咧 export 會上升啦，咁 export 上升 AD 上升咧，咁個 T 都會上升嘅。咁咧 increase in income tax 咧，第一 increase in income tax 好明顯就會收多咗稅啦。咁咧同時咧佢 discourage 咗消費咧就會少咗 importation 嘅，咁所以 OK 嘅。40條好簡單嘅，係啦，雖然係最難啦，但係都好簡單啦。41條咧，我只覺得咧，我無謂記一次啦，係好簡單嘅一啲加減減嚟嘅啫。我哋 move 翻去42條咧，42條咧反而係我想講啊。咁咧佢就話啦 ，the country 咧 has imposed 一個 import quota 啦 on good X and the price and quantity 嘅 transact 係咁樣樣。佢就話咧 demand for good X 咧 increase 咁樣樣。咁 demand for good X increase 好簡單啫，咪就咁畫幅咁嘅嘢咯，係咪？咁咧佢就問你接住落嚟嘅嘢咧，你要點樣答啦咁樣樣。咁咧我哋都好簡單，我哋做翻啦。第一啦，嗰個 import 嘅進口量咧有冇升到咧？係冇嘅，因為點解？因為咧佢嘅 import quota 咧有冇變到啊？有冇 increase 或者 decrease 啊？冇啊！你都由頭到尾你都淨係可以咁多啊，反而有啲乜嘢 increase 咗啊？係你個 shortage 就 increase 咗啦。本身你個 shortage 係咁樣嘅啫，你而家 shortage 係咁樣啦，咁啊即係 increase 咗咁樣啦，係啦。咁 import 咧 可能唔會 increase 啦，一已經錯啦，答案咧好快可以見到就係 C 啦。好啦，你會見到 B 啦，嗱，第二個 option，the price of good X 會 increase 好簡單，因為咧本身你係變下你喺呢度啊嘛，而家你喺呢度咯，係啊，好簡單。好啦，3啦 ，the quantity sold of good X 會 increase 啦，咁嘅樣。係嘅 ，true 嘅，係啦，你賣多咗係真嘅，只不過係你入口嗰個數量都 keep 住不變，係啦，因為咧你 local 嘅 demand 升咗啦，咁但係你 import 嘅 quota 都係咁多嘛，呢個其實咧諗真啲咧，亦都係 quota 嘅嗰個 purpose 嚟嘅，就係當個 good 咧佢有一個好 high 嘅 demand 啦，但係因為咧佢想 preserve 翻 local 啊。咁所以咧，佢就會有一個入口嘅限制，就係咁嘅啫。好啦，去到43條啊，43條咧其實就可以去到計嘅，就係 balance of payment 咧係等於呢個 change in foreign reserve 啊。係啦，咁咧其實即係你會見到咧20加一個 X 加70咧減50咧應該等於30嘅，係。physical trade 啦，加 invisible trade 啦，再加翻呢個 capital inflow 減翻呢個 outflow 係應該咧。係會等於咧 total 呢個30，exact 10嘅，咁所以咧答案就係 B 啦，簡單。好啦，44條啦，佢話 suppose the countries in a certain region are competitive exporting goods of the US 啦 ，the currencies of the countries 咧，咁咧就會 depreciate against US dollar 咁樣樣。好啦，咁如果係 depreciate against 呢個 US dollar 嘅話咧。咁即係其實係country X 嘅一啲 good 咧，亦都係其他 country 嘅 substitute 噶嘛。咁如果美國咧係可以喺呢個貶值國嗰度買更加多嘅貨物咧，係減少咗呢一個 X 國嘅貨物需求。咁 X 國咧 嘅出口咧喺個地方係會 decrease 嘅。咁呢條都好簡單啦。好啦，咁之後咧去到45條啊。咁你話雖然話你話 school not yet teach 啦，咁其實呢個係唔使 teach 嘅，因為呢一個係我會話都冇得 teach 啦。呢個係一個好簡單嘅數學題嚟嘅啫。其實即係話你係要 base on 佢嘅 exchange rate 啦，然後就去到計翻我旅行嘅嗰個成本會升咗定跌咗啊，即係佢對一個 US 1蚊對翻 Euro 係升咗定跌咗啊等等嗰啲，去到睇翻嘅啫。咁我哋會知道啲咩咧？譬如話美元升值啦，係根據翻幾個 concept。首先咧 US dollar 啦同香港 dollar 咧係好掛鈎嘅，所以咧當美金升值嘅咧，其實港紙都會跟住去升值嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就會知道啦，香港啊 US 嗰啲影響咧，咁我諗相信亦都係迎刃而解嘅。咁咧基本上呢份 paper 就係咁啦。咁其實就解釋嗰部分咧，就逐條都同你 go through 咗啦。咁亦都根據咧，你係話你特別唔識嗰啲題目咧，同你重點喺度 go through 啦。咁我覺得都差唔多嘅。咁呢份卷係簡單嘅。咁睇下你溫翻之後咧，睇下你有啲咩唔識。如果你有啲咩唔識，你可以做 WhatsApp 我問翻佢題目啦。咁我就會再答翻你。